Hello, traders. Welcome to the major market breakdown. It's Sunday, the 21st of April. I'm gonna start with the DXY. We're looking for it to start trading a little bit lower this week. Due to some, there's not a whole bunch of fundamental push to the downside, but there's like zero fundamental push to the upside for real. So I'm gonna be looking for her to trade into this area of no sellers. No sellers got opportunity right here. So DXY is probably gonna trade a little lower into this. Is probably gonna end up setting us up for something on the euro dollar. Let's take a look. um it's a 15 minute. Let's go on the 4 hour. um So like, I'll be honest. I've been trading the euro like all year long. So like for an overall standpoint, we're probably gonna start buying from this zone. Will it be these levels specifically? I can't. I'm not gonna say that for certain, but any any real buying momentum I see from these levels or any lower, I'm probably gonna take. I'm not looking for any sell setups. I'm only looking for buy setups this week. Um, she likes to teeter around and play a bit, do something like that, and then slide off, or it could break this low, then come up and play around and come around like swing around like this. But from this area, we're gonna start pushing back towards this. The buyers are gonna push us back to where the buyers didn't get a chance to get in. Is what I'll be looking at this week. GBP. Think we're looking at a trade from, yeah, these lows that they're at. Okay, yeah. Oh, I forgot. I've been waiting for GU to get to these levels. So maybe, yeah. Let's look for euro to break that low that we just looked at. Just because I know I want to see GU come into this area before I buy. So this week should probably start setting up something in this area. Definitely want to get those sweeped out. Yeah. Definitely wants to come into here a little bit and go ahead and fire off for us. If you wonder, like, when I kind of get my gauge on what the euro dollar's doing, um, it, I mean, like, the GBP AUD is not gonna go too much different. You know what I mean? So let's look at the AU. Um, oh yeah, so I wanted buys up under this zone for AU anyway, and that's where she is. So I mean, this formation looks fair for a buy. I definitely want to see it close bullish above this high that she created here for me to really want to be in. But it definitely looks like it's building up some buy momentum down there. So we'll definitely be looking to trade that to the other side as well. Same thing. Um, USD CAD. Let's take a look. CADs. Well, so we're seeing the downward looksy loo on the DXY. You can expect to see the USD CAD setting up for. So that's exactly what it looks like she's doing. Let me go. Oh yeah, because I want to see something. Um, mm, Take a trend line, high, lower, high, lower, high. Okay, so this is a. I mean, I can really just take it from there for real. Drop that right there. Let's make this a little bigger so y'all can see what I'm fooling with right there. Okay, all right, yeah. um, you see there. That's a discrepancy. So I already built up some reason for us to believe that she's overbought and not overbought as far as like overbought in the overbought RSI zone, but overbought as in like it's buying when it's relatively getting weaker, um so we can see that going on here. As you can see, our highs are getting a little higher. Sorry, y'all. Sorry about the yawn. Higher here while our highs are getting lower here. Um, Same. Our lows are getting lower on here while our lows are getting higher here. So definitely got some divergence on the hourly time frame. That tells me it's on the stronger side of things. Indeed. So get a box up. No, I'm not gonna do a box. I'm not allowed to do that. Something like a push down into this, a retest of some shit that it builds up here ish, and then some more continuation down. I don't think the retest is gonna be that damn far. It's probably gonna be like in this area for real. And then another push down. So if you don't want, if you want to wait to trade it, wait for her to make a clean breaking sell down into this area. It's gonna push back a little higher to retest those levels. Just make sure we really want to sell. You sure you want to sell? Yep, we're selling. And it's gonna most likely sell off from there. Let's take a look at Nasdaq. Okay, so we got. Okay, so Nas look ready for. Oops, I didn't realize that she was still on there. Nas look ready for a buy. Don't it? Don't it? Yeah, I do. We got more divergence happening. Got a low, a higher low. You can X that low out and call this the higher low, and then call that another higher low for real if you want. You know what I'm saying? Flip it how you want to flip it, but you got low, lower, low, lower, low, lower, low. You feel me? So those don't agree with each other. So I'd imagine that Nasdaq is probably going to be showing, probably it's going to be mixed at the beginning of the week, but actually give us some momentum back towards looking at these probably like 17,800, 17,700 levels. Get back up in there. Probably gonna be setting something up on the 30-minute. Something. Sorry, I don't know why I'm yawning so much. It's probably 'cause I'm tired. But it's like my fourth video this week, y'all. Hey, we pumping out bangers all week long. But now back to the trade. I'd like to see her close above this. And like it's gonna be mixed until it closes above that. But once it closes above that, I want to see a clean break above these right here, and that'll probably in all of that happening, it'll probably build up some more buy side liquidity to actually go up. And I mean I don't mean to say buy side liquidity. I mean, of course, there's not too many different versions of that term, but what I mean when I say it is like people picking up orders. No, like I've heard people kind of use that term differently, but basically the market saying, "Oh, let's buy, it's going higher," and then it goes higher. So definitely gonna be looking for those confirmations to come about. Let's take a look at gold. Gold, buddy. Man, gold's been doing so well. Gold's been doing so well. She's diverging for a sell though, but I don't think it'll sell off this week just because of how USD is weak. Been diverging for a sell. Been big diverging for a sell. You feel me? Big diverging for one. Hmm. Yeah, it looks like she wants to sell off some, but with the USD so weak, I just think it won't. You know what I mean? It's like I like to trust the divergence, but you know what I'm saying, it's just one way to look at things, and um, yeah, it's been looking like it wants to fall the whole time for real, and it's just been steadily rising. But see, the way that it's getting all crunched up. Hold on. Like it's kind of like crunched up and getting more bunched up and more bunched up. I feel like once she dips below this box I got here, once she's out of this shit, like with the candle close outside of this shit, she's gonna be full send back down to like 2180, bro. So if you're in gold, if you're still in that gold buy, because I know a lot of people are in this shit, go ahead and start taking some off the top. You know what I mean? You should be trailing probably around this area. If not, like if you want to keep more money, you could trail around this area. If you're a little more on the I want to let her breathe, you can trail your stop loss around this area if you're still in it. um, but yeah, definitely, there's definitely a sell off for sure coming soon for gold. I'd say. Well, you see this. Oh, we got a little flag actually. I don't really care to market that much, but yeah, it comes up and it's like and it's just kind of see what my cursor's doing that triangle. Usually when you see that and it's kind of pointed up, it usually drops the market down. There's a lot of retail sentiment that goes into that, but it does I can't argue with the markets. You know what I mean? Like, so we have a flag kind of formed up. So she's probably gonna get. The drop is probably gonna be like a fat ass, like something like this. Like this probably. A lot of people probably thought this was like time to really sell, like, but then she made all that up. Um, I wouldn't sell just like that. You gotta like see like retest and push back down. You know what I mean? That shit came up, pushed here. Like I can kind of understand why, like a few traders probably would have got trapped in this. But see, the thing is, like the divergence hadn't built up that much at that point. So I think me looking at it, I'm like, man, I need to see something like I need to see real closure down below all of this. You feel me? And this right here didn't give that, so it wouldn't have really made me trade. um, but yeah, looking for a sell off to be coming for gold pretty soon. Um, what we got? That was all. Was that all the majors? Oh, let's do Bitcoin. Let's look at Bitcoin. Let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's about to do some buying. I know that. Oof. Listen, I trade enough. I trade enough Bitcoin to know when Bitcoin's about to buy. God damn it. This is ugly, but it's like 30 minutes, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah. Traded enough Bitcoin knowing Bitcoin gonna buy. God dang. And we definitely finna get back in there for them all time highs, my boy. What did it do from a fib standpoint? What did it do from a fib standpoint when it retested at 50 Kizay? Huh? Ooh, jumped off to 618. I like it. It love that 61. Love that 618. So I'm thinking, yeah, nah, she ain't got no selling in her right now. There's not much reason to have any selling in her right now. Which, I mean, I could be, like I said, I could be wrong. I could be wrong as hell. But little crests like this always make me want to buy. I could see like a little teeter, wick, red, red, green candle, wick, green candle. You feel me? Like it's probably gonna mirror this right here, over here. Just gonna go mirror all that up. Real simple like, real simple like. Hope y'all are able to make some money this week. You know, don't trade without no stop loss. Please don't trade without a stop loss. Don't risk more than 5% of your account at one time. I love y'all. Make sure you're kind to somebody today.